Due for the 2018 model year, the Hyundai Elantra GT joins the growing compact hatchback segment and is pitched as a crossover alternative that's more fun to drive. To back that up, Hyundai has made a 6-speed manual gearbox standard on all models and added the Elantra GT Sport, a variant that sits above the standard Elantra GT with a turbocharged engine and its own unique suspension setup. Like most Hyundais, the Elantra GT is packed with plenty of tech features to keep you connected on the road. The Elantra GT's development happened mainly in Europe under the watch of Albert Biermann, head of vehicle test and high-performance development at Hyundai and formerly boss of BMW's M division. Both models feature bodies constructed of 53% high-strength steel, which is nearly double the outgoing car's 27%. There's also 367 feet of structural adhesive used throughout the car, which, along with the extensive use of hot stamping throughout the body, has improved its body rigidity. Compared to the standard Elantra GT, the GT Sport gets a fully independent suspension all-around with a multilink setup in the rear instead of the base car's torsion beam. Front and rear spring rates are up 12% and 22%, respectively, while the dampers and steering system have also been retuned for sporty driving. There's also a 15mm rear stabilizer bar in the GT Sport to help improve handling. Hyundai invited journalists to San Diego, California, to drive the 2018 Elantra GT and GT Sport, where we took it to winding roads, freeways, and city streets. For the first half of the route, we drove the base Elantra GT with the 2.0-liter i4's 162 horsepower and 150 pounds-ft of torque paired 6-speed automatic and found it surprisingly punchy. The 6-speed automatic shifts smoothly and holds gears longer in sport mode. However, there are no paddle shifters, so you have to shift manually via the gear shifter. Handling is surprisingly nimble with minimal body roll even when pushed hard despite the torsion beam rear suspension on the base car.